Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Natgas, we're still exploring here this ABC structure to the upside in a wave 4. And the idea is that in this C wave of the wave 4, we are moving up in an ending diagonal in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I keep it short because looking at the context, nothing happened. And I think most people will be interested in the short term because, you know, we discussed the context more than enough in previous videos. I'm sure we'll do that again, but can't do that in every video if the price action is just slow motion. The idea obviously here in this C wave to the upside is that price moved in a 1, a 2. We're now in the third wave of the C wave. Then there should be a fourth wave and a fifth wave, and getting into that region around 315 to 391. But obviously the market has just been doing, has just moved in slow motion really. Now the idea is, and this is the micro level, if we really assume we are in the third wave of that C wave, then this is of course unfolding as an A, B, C structure. And the idea is that, okay, B wave might have bottomed and we might be in the C wave, or the B wave is still unfolding. So this is what we need to look at the moment. If I zoom in a little bit, when we finish our A wave up here, I gave you a relevant support level here in the B wave. And in this particular B wave, we reacted to our support level here at 250, the 50% retracement. So because we reacted and we rallied, not clearly impulsively, but yeah, I mean, certainly we broke above the price channel. We said, okay, let's explore if the C wave has already started by adding a 78.6 fib level. Because the idea is if this C wave has started of wave 3, then, let me move that back, then a 5 wave move up should unfold. So we had a potential wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Now, typically we say that in a wave 2, the 78.6 fib level should hold. If it doesn't, then the setup is likely not going to work out, or the wave count needs to be revised. And I think that's probably what's happening here. I mean, I leave it on like that for now. It wasn't a highly reliable one anyway. That's why I highlighted the support box in orange. There are different colors, you might know that. Orange means it's higher risk. It's more a bit like, you know, it's a bit of a wait and see. Because we didn't get a clear 5 wave move up here, but still, you know, a potential turning point here. It's still holding that support at 255, so nothing happened at this stage. But what happens if we break below support? Well, if we break below support, I could make the case that this wave B is still unfolding, maybe even as a triangle, or the B wave just comes lower. But certainly if we break and sustain below 255, the assumption would be that the previous support area will be relevant again. First support would be 250, then 241 and 229. Below 229, things are going to get a little bit complex, because then I can't easily say anymore that we are in the C wave of the third wave. Yeah, things might change then a little bit. So that's sort of the situation I'm dealing with here right now. 255 is micro support. Below that level, most important support is 229, and the make or break point for this direct upside scenario in the C wave is the 214 level, the low of the wave 2. But overall, not much has happened, and as I said to you yesterday and the days before, we need to see a break above the descending trend line here to really confirm that we are pushing higher in this third wave of a C wave. And so far, no breakout has occurred. It's a pretty nicely defined descending trend line. So yeah, ideally we are starting to see some movement here shortly. At the moment there isn't anything, so I hope you liked the update still. If you did, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.